Hello, thank you for stopping by. This is your girl Unique Look with Dorcas. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw your eyebrows and make it look perfect like this. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look right here, let me zoom in right here, then you stay tuned. Thanks in advance. So let me let you in a little secret. So you can tell that I am using the Revlon lip liner, as well as this lip liner that I got from my local beauty supply store. Yes, it says lip liner. However, Dorcas, I'm gonna break the rule and use this lip liner for my eyebrows. And I mean, as you can tell, if I didn't tell you, would you have known it was a lip liner? Of course not. So hey, I'm just letting you my little secret, but just stay tuned and enjoy. Alright, so let's get started.
So I'm gonna first take my eyebrow eyeliner brush and I'm gonna brush my eyebrows, and this helps it give it a better arch. You can also have it tweezed or threaded, and that will also help as well.
So I'm gonna do something a little different. What I'm gonna do is, since my hair color is a different color from my natural hair color, I'm gonna show you how to achieve a colored eyebrows, if that makes sense.
So I'm gonna start with the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner. The reason why I'm using the lighter one is because in order to achieve the look that I'm going for, you want to use the lighter one first and then later go in with a darker one in order for the colored eyebrows to pop. Now, if you're just going for a solid look, you don't have to worry about combining two different colors. You just pick out the color that you want, your preferred color, and just use that one color. This is very simple and easy. As you can see, I'm just literally following the natural arch of my eyebrows. But keep in mind, I'm always starting with a square and then drawing the line. So now I'm gonna take the lip and eyeliner by LL Design DK Brow, and I'm gonna literally follow the exact line I made with the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner. And what this does is it tones the lighter color down. to take just a little dab of the Milani 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and I'm gonna also use my all over eyeshadow brush by Mary Kay, and just a little dab of the concealer goes a long way. And you don't have to use the exact same concealer. Basically just any concealer or any foundation that is lighter than your natural skin tone will work also. Now what I'm doing is highlighting the bottom and the top of my eyebrows with the concealer. So right here, I'm just wiping away the excess concealer slash foundation off of my brush. And I'm going to use the back of the brush to smudge away the initial squared line that I created. Now you don't want to leave the line squared. You want to smudge it away. That way it gives it a natural look. And then I'm going to use the brush to also smudge away the extra concealer left under the eyebrows and on top of the eyebrows. And what you can do is just kind of blend it in with your skin. So after smudging both eyebrows, you're gonna have the look of an unibrow. So in order to get rid of it, you're gonna simply use the brush to separate the brows, and that gets rid of it. If you would like to see more videos, please comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay blessed.